Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and welcome back to another Palette Throwback Thursday. We are playing around again with the mashups, and today's combination is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and the Morphe 35S palette. I think that this look turned out really cool. I don't usually pair these colors together, so I love the way that it turned out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go back and forth between this white shade, Take Me Back, and this gray shade, Tranquility. I want like a gray crease, but not as dark as Tranquility, so I'm going to mix the two together and use that as my transition. Next up, using a small fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the shade right down here, Hidden Cove, and I'm going to use that on my outer corners. Next up, I'm going to jump over to the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and with another small fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into the shade down here, Not My Journey, and I'm going to put that next to the teal shade. Lastly, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to dip into this silver shade right here, Panoramic Shot, and I'm just going to put that on the open space on my lids. Alright, I'm just going to dip a little bit back into Not My Journey and just use that to blend that edge right there. Alright, so that's it for the lids. I'm going to use slightly different colors on my lower lash line. I am going to jump off and toss on a wing, do my base, and I'll be back to continue working on this look. Alright, so for my cheeks, I'm going to go in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade So Taupe. Toss on just a little bit of contour. And then for bronzer, I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer in the shade Forever Sunkissed. And then I'm going to press on just a little bit of the L'Oreal Lumi Bronze It. And then for my under eyes, I'm going to stick entirely in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to start off by smoking out some of the shade Temper underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it out with the shade Therapy Sesh. Alright, so for my blush, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Rosy, and then I'm going to top it off with the Milani Baked Blush in Petal Primavera. And then for highlight, I'm going to dip into the Pixi Glowy Gossamer Duo in Subtle Sunrise. Alright, so I'm going to jump off and finish up the rest of my face. I'll be back to show you guys what I put on my lips and show you guys the final look. Alright, so for my lips, I went in with the Sephora Cream Lip Stain, and this is in, the name of it's gone. It just says 72 on the bottom, so number 72. I'm trying this out for the first time. The color isn't exactly what I would want for this look, but I wanted to try it out. I've had it in my collection for a while in my like to try bag, and it's so small that I just keep forgetting about it. So I finally pulled it out. I'm trying it on. It doesn't look bad with this look. It's just not exactly what I would go for, but that's totally fine. And this is the final look. I love the way that the eyes turned out. I think that they're actually really, really cute. And this isn't a color combo that I would usually pair together. So that is what I really love about these like palette throwback mashups, is I'm pairing together colors that I wouldn't normally put together. And I think that that's really cool. I love the way that the teal and the purple just play together with the black underneath the eyes. I just think that it's really, really cute and I like it. So I'm happy with it. Overall, I wasn't in any way, shape, and form concerned about how these two palettes would play together. They're the same company, same formula, same everything, so it was just different colors. Obviously, I could have chosen the easy route and just used the pinks from both of these, but I wanted to shake it up, do something a little bit different, and I do really like the way that it turned out. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know what color you like to pair with teal. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!